In this LinkTube review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this app. So LinkTube is a tool that helps you create a smart page portfolio that hosts unlimited links and reflects your branding from your mobile phone. So straight away, if you click on the Get Started button, you can see that you're met by a screen that has the option to start from scratch, or it's got loads of templates. It's got templates depending on your business model. It's got health, restaurant, travel, fashion, and many more. If you would like to make your smart page portfolio from scratch, then you just click on Start from Scratch, and then you enter in your username on there. Once you've typed in your username, you'll come over to this screen. Anything that we add on here will be shown on the right hand side on the mobile preview, so we can actually see what it would look like on a smartphone. So the first thing that we can do is add a title. You just enter your brand name into the box. You can add a short description, and if we save that, we can see it's going to show on the preview. If we go over to Add Section, a few options pop up. We have button, tile, card, video, product, text, or dynamic feed. If you click onto button, we can see there that we can enter a website link. There is option for button, tile, and card, and sort of a preview is displayed at the bottom. So you can enter a title, and below that we have add icon, and there's loads of different icons there. Below that we have appearance, and there's two options that come up there, which is customized styles and theme-based styles. If you click onto customized styles, we can see that we have the option there for a background color, so you can select a color. There's also the option for gradient, so you could add two colors. Anything we do, we can see it's shown there as a preview. We can also customize the text color and its alignment. Below that, we have many different box options. If you see I click that one, we can see it changes just up there. Next up is schedule, where you can obviously schedule your link. It's got start date, start time, expiry date, expiry time, and you can set the time zone. Next up, we've got animation, where you can actually customize the animation for the button. If we click onto there, you can see it animates just above us. If we click onto more, we also have the option to hide the link as well. Once you've played around with the customization there, you can see it shows up on the mobile preview. The next option we have is video. You can paste a link to a YouTube video and it will show up here. And then we have these customization options as well. So like before, we can customize the color, the text, we can schedule it for a certain time, and we can animate it. You've also got that same option if you wanted to actually hide the link as well. Below video, we have product. Here you can enter the link for a product and actually attach the price label as well. If we add a shopping link, we can see it just shows up here. You obviously have the option to add a thumbnail and again, change the appearance. There's also the option for adding text. If you wanted to create a text block, you could just enter it in here, enter something into the description, and add that as well. The next section we have is dynamic feed. You can enter a YouTube channel, a Shopify store, or a WordPress. Once you enter a link into there, you can actually customize the layout. So there's the option for mixed, list, card, tile, or carousel. And you can also customize the number of items as well as adding a title. Below add section is add messengers, where you can add your contact information, such as your email address, phone number, Facebook Messenger username, WhatsApp number, Telegram username, and Skype username. Below messengers, there's the option to add your social media links, such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Patreon, LinkedIn, Twitch, Mixer, and Snapchat. Finally, the last option is to add a newsletter, where you can set up an email capture service from MailChimp, Google Sheets, or Zapier. Another cool feature is that you can change the sequence just by dragging and dropping, and we can see there on the preview, they move around. Once you're happy with your smartphone portfolio, you can just go ahead and click the publish button. So what did I think of LinkTube? I think LinkTube made it super easy to create a smart page portfolio. There was a wide choice of options for customization. I particularly liked the animation feature. This is something you don't often see with smart page links. There was a wide choice of templates depending on your brand, and loads of sections that you could add, including social links and newsletters. It was also really helpful that the mobile preview was showing you everything that you were customizing. That way you could actually see what it would look like on a smartphone. I think they've done a fantastic job, and I would definitely recommend it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.